Hello family, welcome back to another video. It's been a while. I am so sorry guys, life happened. It's not as if I've not been filming video. I have, but I've not been editing, and also mom of four, life and all that. I'm busy, but I cannot forget my family now. That this is New Year. I've not said Happy New Year to you guys since. Happy New Year. Thank you so much for sticking around. I just wanted to quickly say Happy New Year to you guys and let you guys know that we are back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the best protein treatment for massive hair growth for Jeanette DIY. Stick around and watch it to the end. Be sure to leave your favorite part in the comment section. Like I always say, if you are watching my video and there is noise in the background, I'm a mom of four, please. So we're going to be getting into the video now and doing the protein treatment for Jeanette. Is the best protein treatment, guys. It's overloaded with protein. Like when you use this method weekly for your child, on your child's head, your child will experience massive hair growth. Even when you use it for yourself as an adult, you will experience massive hair growth. So let's get right into the video. Boom. First thing first, what we're going to be needing, aloe vera. We're going to be needing egg, and we're going to be needing avocado. So what we're going to be doing is take out the rough edges like that. Just cut out the rough edges, cut out the tip like that because we don't need that place. And cut this place out. And now that we are done, we're going to go ahead and cut it like that into chunks. Then bring a bowl of water like that and rest them in. And rest them in like that. Now that we're done with the aloe vera, we're going to need a mini blender. Use whatever blender you have. We have 2 eggs. I'm going to go ahead and just break in the 2 eggs like so. I'm going to go ahead, open up our avocado like that. Go ahead, scoop it out and scoop it in. Go ahead, scoop it out. I'm just going to be using one full avocado like that. I'm going to go ahead and add my half banana. I'm not using full banana, I'm going to use half. Banana is very good for our hair. And if you don't have banana, you can just go ahead and use avocado and egg. This is mayonnaise. Once upon a time in my life, I normally just use mayonnaise and the oil for my protein treatment, and it works so amazing because you know this already have egg in it and it's very good. So I'm just going to add go ahead and add 1 spoon like that. I love mayonnaise. It's a good source of protein when you want to do your protein treatment, but if you don't want to add it, that's totally fine. Now we're going to go ahead and add our oil. I'm going to go ahead and scoop in. You know, here we are in winter, so my oil is kind of all dried up. So I'm just going to go ahead, add 1 tablespoon like that of coconut oil. If you are not a coconut oil lover, go ahead and use any other oil of your choice. I'm going to go ahead and add my organic olive oil like that. Then I'm going to just pour in 3. 1, 2, 3 like that. So now that we have this combo here, I'm just going to go ahead and start bringing out my aloe vera. Then I'll bring it out damp dry with a toilet paper. Damp it dry, then cut it open like so. Then we'll go ahead and scoop it out with a spoon. I really love aloe vera because aloe vera have lots of health benefits when it comes to hair and our body. And you know, aloe vera has vitamin A, C and E, and even vitamin B12 that help keep our hair from falling. Also, aloe vera also contains natural antioxidants that help our hair to grow and keep our hair super moisturized. And when your hair is moisturized, your scalp will not be dry. That will prevent hair fall and it will result to massive hair growth. You know, aloe vera also helps to balance our natural HP. And if you know that all this combo that I'm using here in this natural DIY, you don't know what they contain, their benefit, check it up in Google. Everything is there. Now I'm just scraping it out. It depends on the amount of hair that you have. If your hair is not that much, you don't need much, because my daughter's hair is much and is super thick. Because I don't want aloe vera particle on my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and strain it out before using it. And the best way to strain this aloe vera, so to avoid stress, is just for you to go ahead and blend it. After blending it, you just pour it in a strainer and it will come out with ease. But I don't know, for some reason, maybe I'm just in a hurry, so I just like to strain it like this. This is a whole lot of stress. Just go ahead, blend it and strain it out with ease. The water will just flow out. But here you can see the struggle, but though I succeeded, but it's just better you blend it to avoid stress. I just strained it out. Look at that. This is all the perfect juice that we need. Then I'm just going to go ahead and pour it in like so. Then when you see me again, we'll be done blending. When you see this again, it will be all blended. Let's go. We're just going to go ahead and blend just like that. Okay guys, this is our blended combo here. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour it in this transparent bowl. This is our leftover aloe vera. I will show you guys what I will do with it in the jiffy. And if you are seeing anything inside, that's the aloe vera, so there's no need to rinse it out. Ooh, look at that juiciness. Look at that combo. So now, see, you can, if you have this, you can go ahead and start pounding it like that, but that looks like a big waste of time to me, like a big fail. And I'll just pour it here like that. This is the aloe vera well blended. It's a strainer like that. That's the strainer we used before. Now that we've blended it, I'm not sure it's going to be that difficult anymore. So just pour it all out like that. Then strain it out. Ooh, see, look at that with ease. Let's put our funnel like that. I got this spray bottle from Sally. So we pour in our aloe vera water.
Probably when you apply it, my hair would smell just like it. It's like a banana cake.
It smells good, right?
Yeah.
So you already know what we have here. This is our aloe vera spray. So I'm just going to go ahead and this is almost 1 month braid that I took out yesterday. I'm going to give her the protein treatment. Look at that. Oh my god. So just water it up like that with the spray. As you can see, I'm just massaging the scalp. So massaging your scalp will increase blood flow to your scalp and it will result in hair growth. Yes, it will promote your hair growth. One thing I love most about aloe vera, the fact that it helps in the hair growth, but it's a great moisturizer. Did you see how it just go ahead on its own effortlessly? Do you see how it just went ahead and detangled that hair without much effort? Look at that. So I'm just going to go ahead now and start applying our mask like that. I'm very generous with products. My old subscribers probably have heard that 1,000 times. So you start from the root, you work your way all the way down to the tip, just like that. And I'm not going to be using any brush for this method. You see the way I'm just using my hand to detangle it like that. Then now that I'm done like that, I'm just going to go ahead like that, grab a white tooth comb for perfection. Just, you see that? Ooh, you see the way her coils is popping. This just brings the coils to life. Like if you're going from straight to coiling, this is the best method to go. It just brings your coils back to life. Did you see where the coils is popping?
It smells just like the cake.
It smells like cake. My daughter said it smells like cake. Hey, bye, you feel like eating cake. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do same to the second one. I have her hair in section because I want everything to saturate properly. Whoa. Just go like that. It's very simple, with ease. Apply it. This will help your hair grow like crazy. Try this method on your child's hair or on your hair weekly. Once in a week is all you need, and your hair is going to grow massively. Look at that coils. This will bring your dead coils back to life, just like that. Sorry about this stain, just ignore it. When we are done, wash the towel.
Yeah. At least take that on my top.
It's okay. After you have braided your hair for one month, this is the best way to treat your hair. Your hair deserves the treats. Look at that. Ooh. So we'll do this last one, and you see us when we finish it up shortly by ourselves. See, she have lots of hair. That's why I use 2 eggs. If your hair is not much like hers, you can go ahead and use 1 egg. Use half of the avocado. Yeah, you must not use full one the way I did. If you are watching to this extent, thank you so much. Please go ahead, click on that subscribe button and join the family. Also turn on the notification bell so each time we upload a video, you will be the first person to know and you will not miss out on our future upload. Thank you so much. We do appreciate everyone watching our video, liking and sharing. God bless you all. You can see that the mask is just working his magic, just like that. Everything is detangling with ease. Look at that.
And also the curls are popping in my face.
The curls are popping in your face. Sorry about that. The way you leave it on your hair is definitely up to you. So if I leave my own for 1 hour, you want to leave your own for 30 minutes, it's no big deal. You want to leave your own for overnight, is no big deal. They are all natural, so it's not going to cause any harm or any damage to your hair if you decide to leave it overnight. So I'm not going to leave our own overnight. I'm just going to go ahead, wrap it up. Don't forget to go ahead, leave your comment and thought in the comment section. So I'll show you guys how we normally wrap it. So, because some people will be like, oh, you did it halfway, you didn't show us the finish. So I'll finish it up. So I'm just going to go ahead like this, put it out in a twist. See, the hair is fully detangled, so no stress. Just going to go ahead and wrap it up. I'm going to go ahead and put shower cap in it. This is double. It has a towel kind of inside and it has the protector shower cap inside on top. So this is what she's going to be rocking. Okay family, this is night time now. She has been doing her stuff. I have been doing my stuff too. So this is way more than 3 hours. So now we're just going to go ahead and wash the hair out. For those of you that are interested in knowing the shampoo and the conditioner and how we pack it, that will be our next upload. As it is, the video is already long enough. Here we draw the curtain. Peace. We out. See you in our next upload on Friday.